following
guys.
portion of Indy Now is sponsored by LDT LLC.
Yeah, and you know what? It's not unfortunate because I'm hanging out with our friend Will over here.
That's right.
Will, it's so good to see you. And then we also have Justin from Aesthetic Management Partners here. It's good to have you guys.
Thanks so much for having us here.
Oh my gosh, Will, I feel like it's been forever since we caught up with you.
I know.
How's everything going?
Life has been great.
Yes.
Yeah, can't complain. The New Year's been going awesome for us, and yeah, can't be happier.
Yeah, and new year, new technology, right?
Exactly.
It transitions. Tell us about that.
Well, I know we will always talk about the fact that we're looking for that newest technology and what's going to help with our, giving our clients the best possible outcome. So, super excited today to kind of go over that new technology that we got. It's with the RIVE system, with the Ultra Plus. It's like an ultrasonic or ultrasound type technology.
Huh.
Really, really cool stuff.
Yeah, this is all to help Hoosiers restore their hair and their confidence in the process.
Yeah.
Justin, tell us about this new technology. What does it do?
Yeah, so the Ultra Plus is our low-level ultrasound device that, lowers the Dalton weight of the product, helps drive it in. It's meant for skin and hair rejuvenation.
Okay.
It is completely pain-free, needle-free, no pills. It feels like a spa-like treatment.
Okay.
It feels like a warm stone massage. Will got one yesterday.
I can attest to that. I actually did the treatment yesterday, and it does. I mean, it's really nice. It's warm. There's zero pain to it at all. And that's one of the things that I really like about this as well, because some people are very, very afraid of needles, or they're afraid of being in any type of discomfort. So this is an application that we're going to be able to introduce to allow for those people to feel better about having the treatment done.
Sure.
Okay.
I'd love to learn a little bit more because, as you know, I'm 5 months postpartum. I am trying to hold on to this hair, and I know that sometimes a lot of women go through that. So what would it look like if you wanted to treat like certain areas of your hair?
Yeah, so the actual product RIVE is a completely plant-based organic secretome. It's transdermal, so it's going to absorb on its own, and it targets all the 5 pillars of hair loss. So it's going to help with inflammation, so it's anti-inflammatory factor, angiogenesis, so it's going to help the blood flow to the hair follicle, structural change. So many people are on GLP-1s, postpartum, COVID back in the day. They're malnourished with protein, so they're not getting the proper protein, so that's where the hair loss is coming, and it's targeting the cytokeratin 15 and collagen, and then it's kicking it from the shedding phase back into the hair growth phase and overall
look at that.
healthy scalp.
These are some pretty incredible before and after.
They really are.
Well. Yeah, that's
And
cool.
it's scientifically backed, clinically proven to increase hair density, hair thickness, reduce that shedding, and increase overall health, scalp health.
It's really amazing technology.
Yeah, now we're seeing after 3 months, after 10 months, typically how frequently would you have to get this treatment to see those results?
So our plan basically is you look at doing a course of 3 treatments over 3 months, and then you do one more treatment around the 6-month mark.
Okay.
So each treatment only takes about maybe 15, 20 minutes.
Nice.
Super easy. And then the nice thing too about this product is that whenever you put the product in, you're getting it applied. I looked just like this after I had the treatment done.
Yeah, great.
So it does not leave like a greasy residue. And then there's also an at-home treatment that you do 2 times a day at home. It's just a topical application that you do. And, it's really pretty easy and straightforward.
Yeah, cool. RIVE Ultra Plus is what this is called.
Awesome.
Yeah.
What's the main reason for you, Will, that you wanted to bring this technology here?
Again, just trying to make sure that we offer the best technology for all of our clients, right? But in addition to that, it creates another avenue for people that it kind of takes away the limitations where some people might have autoimmune issues, or they may not be a candidate for X option. This kind of overcomes that hurdle to where there really are no barriers to be able to treat, which is really awesome.
Justin, what's some of the most encouraging feedback you've heard from people who've used this product and technology?
Yeah, it's super comfortable. Everyone, people don't like pain, they don't like needles, they don't have the patience. A lot of times, based on your health, sometimes it takes a long time to accomplish what you're looking to do, and this is scientifically proven where we're seeing quick results, it's pain-free, and it's comfortable, and it's the results are speaking for themselves.
Yeah. Thank you so much for bringing this here and showing us a little bit more. If someone wanted to try this, I know there's options to have a consultation, right?
Right. Yeah, so it's really easy. You can call us at 317-522-2991, or you can go to transitionsindy.com. It's a free consultation, and we're going to be able to do a microscopic analysis, see what's going on with your hair, and then be able to give you the proper game plan based off your specific needs. So the RIVE system, Ultra Plus system, could be a potential option for that. or it could be a hair transplant, or it could be PRP, it could be a variety of different things.
Yeah.
We try to encompass everything.
Go to transitionsindy.com to learn more and tell them you saw them on Indy Now. Guys, thanks so much for being here.
Thank you.
Thanks for having us.
Appreciate it.
Appreciate it.
Guys, thanks.
The preceding portion of Indy Now was sponsored by LDT LLC.